this part. I am concerned about this though. So water was coming here. It's a flat surface, right? So drilling holes in this is not an option. You got to think about the repair aspect of it. So we're more likely going to have to pop this part off, the face of this off. We can salvage the drawers and get some dryers underneath there because we do not want mold growing underneath there at all. Especially looks like a child's bed. Don't want your child sleeping on mold. That's for sure. All right, that's what we got for this one. Take care.